Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to find the web element using CSS selector with tag name and attribute value. Okay, so last video we have seen how to find the web element location using ID name, right? ID name and ID value, right? ID equal to ID value. So here in this video we'll find using tag name and attribute value. Okay, so let's import the playwright from playwright dot sync API import. Okay, sync underscore playwright. Okay, right. Then with sync underscore playwright as p. Okay, so let's open a browser. Browser equal to p dot chromium dot launch, right? And if I won't give anything here about headless, then browser will open in background and it will close. We can't see that. Okay. So we have to use headless equal to false. Okay. So if you give headless equal to true, the browser it will open the page and you can't see anything. Nothing will be visible. So if you use the headless equal to false, you will see the page opening and what is happening. You can see that. Okay. Then open a new page. Okay. Page equal to browser dot new page. Okay, then go to our testing website. Okay, go to, so we are using the website called uh, sourcedemo.com. Okay, so this we are using for our testing. So go to the website, right? Okay, then you have to find the elements of this username, password, and login. Okay, using tag name, attribute name, and attribute value. Okay, so right click on this, inspect, click on this, and go to the username. Okay, so this is highlighted here. So guys, here the tag name is input, and there are so many attributes. Here placeholder is one attribute, type is one attribute, data hyphen test is one attribute. Okay, and name is one more attribute, right? So we'll use Control F here and we'll try to write our locator so that it should display one of one so that it will be unique and correct. Okay. So the syntax is here. Okay. I copy from here. So this is that syntax we have to use for attribute name and attribute value. Okay. If ID is not present, then use the attribute and its value along with the tag name. Okay. So selector will be tag name square bracket attribute name equal to attribute value. Okay, enclosed in single inverted commas. Okay, so same thing we'll try to populate here. So here our tag is input, right? So put tag here, tag name first, then open the square bracket, then attribute name. Attribute name is here, placeholder, right? This one, right? Let us see it again. Click on this and click on username. So this one, okay. So placeholder is the attribute name, right? So placeholder, okay, equal to username, okay. So this is our locator, right? So it is displaying here one of one, here inverted commas I forgotten. So now it is displaying one of one and this is unique and correct. Okay. So same thing we'll use in our code, right? Let us copy this and let's say page dot. Okay. First what we want username underscore text box, right? Okay. Equal to page dot wait for selector. Okay. Then use our locator like this. Okay. This is the syntax. tag name, square bracket, attribute name, and attribute value. Okay. Similarly, we'll do for once you got the username text box, then you have to type the username in that. Okay. Dot type. Okay. So what is the username here? There are so many usernames given here. So I am using standard underscore user. Okay. Standard underscore user. Okay. And let us go to the password underscore text box. Password underscore text box. Okay. Same thing we'll use here. Page dot wait for selector. Okay. Then for password, let us see. Click on this and click on the password here. And this is displayed here. Let us remove this. Okay. So for password, guys, so what is highlighting here? So these two lines are highlighting. So here again, your tag name is input. Okay. Tag name is input. And let us take one attribute. Okay. Okay. So these two lines are our password thing. Okay. So tag name is input and placeholder. Okay. Equal to password. Okay. Attribute name is placeholder equal to password P capital. Okay. So this is again one of one and it is highlighted in yellow color. So this is unique and correct. Okay. So use this for our password locator. Okay. In single inverted commas. Right. Then enter the password. Right. Okay. Type. Okay. So what is the password, guys, here in this website? What is given? So he has given password is secret underscore sauce. Okay. So secret underscore sauce. Right. So this is a password. Then we have to go for login button. Okay. Login underscore button equal to again same thing page dot wait for selector. Then for login button, we have to see what is the tag name and attribute name. Okay. Click on login button. So before that, I'll remove this thing. Okay. So click on the login button. So these two lines are for login. Okay. Again here tag is input and uh, attribute name is data hyphen test. Okay. And attribute value is login underscore button. Right. So let us use that here. Input. Okay. So attribute name equal to data hyphen test. Okay. Equal to login hyphen button, right? So log in hyphen button. Okay. So this is not displayed because here inverted commas are missing. Okay. So it is highlighted with a yellow color and it is unique and correct. Okay. So let us use this for our code here in inverted single inverted commas. Okay. Then we have to click the login button. Okay. So click. Then once login button is clicked, the page will open. Okay. Home page. So we have to see that. So we have to give some timeout. Okay. Page dot wait for timeout. Let's say 5000 milliseconds. So that is 5 seconds. Okay, guys. So let us run this code and see. So it will open the page. Okay. Yeah, so like that, it will enter username, password, and it will click the login button, and home page is displayed. And after 5 seconds, it is disappeared. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, Abhiyani tutorials for more such automation videos. So this is a second class. More classes are coming in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.